Are you planning a kitchen renovation or wondering if your range hood is doing its job? In this video, we're breaking down how to design residential kitchen ventilation that meets code and works efficiently, including CFM calculations, ASHRAE 62.2 requirements, and expert installation tips. It's as essential as your favorite skillet fresh air in your kitchen. Think about it. A kitchen is a place where culinary magic happens, but it's also a place where a lot of byproducts are created during the cooking process. When you cook, you create steam, moisture that can lead to mold and mildew if not properly managed. Smoke, which can irritate your lungs and leave unpleasant odors lingering in your home. And invisible particles, these microscopic substances can affect your respiratory system and overall health. So you're not sweating over the stove, feeling overheated and uncomfortable while you're trying to create a delicious meal. Gas stoves can release carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide, both of which can be harmful to your health, especially with prolonged exposure. But a strong vent hood pulls those out, effectively removing these potentially dangerous gases from your cooking environment. And a lower fire risk. Grease buildup is a significant fire hazard in any kitchen. Proper ventilation isn't a luxury, it's an investment in your well-being and the longevity of your home. Now let's talk CFM. It's a term you'll hear a lot when shopping for a range hood, and understanding it is crucial for effective kitchen ventilation. We're going to break down what it means and how to calculate the right CFM for your specific kitchen setup. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. It's the number that tells you how much air your range hood can move, specifically how many cubic feet of air it can remove from your kitchen in 1 minute. This is a key indicator of how effectively it can clear out smoke, odors and grease. ASHRAE 62.2 requirements and CFM calculations. Method 1. By room volume, a simple method to determine your minimum CFM involves measuring your kitchen's length, then measure the width, and finally the height of your kitchen. These three measurements are essential for calculating the volume of your kitchen space. Once you have these dimensions, multiply them together. This will give you the total cubic feet of your kitchen. Formula to calculate: required CFM A, room volume multiply air change per hour, ACH, and divide 60. This will give you the required CFM. Example: kitchen, length 12 feet, width 12 feet and height 10 feet. So 12 multiply 10 gives 1440 cubic feet. Use 5 ACH. 1440 multiply 5 divide 60, you get 120 CFM. So you require 120 CFM for the kitchen. If you do heavy cooking or use a gas range, go higher than the minimum. Choosing the right range hood. A well-designed range hood not only captures contaminants but moves enough air to meet CFM needs. Hood sizing guidelines: cooktop width, recommended hood, CFM 24 inch 150, 200 CFM, 30, 250, 400 CFM, 36 plus 400, 600 plus CFM. Best practices: hood should be at least as wide as your stove mount, 24 to 30 inches above the cooktop. Use rigid ducting, not flexible. With a smooth interior, it's like picking the right size pan for the job. Get it right and everything cooks better and your kitchen stays cleaner and more comfortable. When in doubt, a little extra power is always better than not enough. You can always turn a range hood down, but you can't make it more powerful than it's designed to be. With the right CFM, your kitchen stays fresh and clean. You'll be able to enjoy cooking without worrying about lingering odors or a greasy film settling on your surfaces no matter what you're cooking. It's time to pick your hood style. The style of your hood is not just about aesthetics, it also impacts functionality and installation. Ducted hoods vent smoke and steam outside, a process that ensures pollutants are completely removed from your home. This is the preferred method for maintaining the best possible air quality in your kitchen. Most effective if you can install them. Proper installation is key to their performance, so consider professional help to ensure everything is up to code and functioning optimally. Ductless hoods filter air and recirculate it, making them a convenient option for apartments or homes where ductwork is not feasible or practical. Just remember to clean or replace filters often. Regular maintenance is essential for ductless hoods to maintain their effectiveness in trapping grease and odors. Under cabinet hoods fit neatly above your stove, offering a space-saving solution that integrates seamlessly into your kitchen design. While wall-mounted hoods make a statement if you have no cabinets above, they become a focal point, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your kitchen. Island hoods hang from the ceiling for cooktops on kitchen islands. These hoods require careful planning and installation to ensure they effectively capture rising smoke and steam from all sides. Downdraft systems pop up from behind the cooktop and pull air down, an innovative design that keeps the hood out of sight when not in use. Sleek for minimalist kitchens, their unobtrusive nature makes them ideal for those who prefer a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Each style has its perks, from space-saving designs to powerful ventilation capabilities and aesthetic appeal. The right hood keeps your kitchen air clean and your style on point. It's an investment in both your health and the overall ambience of your home. ASHRAE, the experts on indoor air, recommends a minimum of 5 ACH. This helps remove moisture, odors, and pollutants generated during cooking. They set a minimum of 100 CFM for range hoods, but you'll likely need more based on your kitchen and stove. Filters matter: metal mesh or baffle filters for ducted hoods, charcoal for ductless. Make sure they're easy to clean. User-friendly designs mean you'll actually maintain your system. Following ASHRAE's guidelines protects your health and ensures your system works. Think of it as following a trusted recipe for clean air. The range hood is your kitchen's unsung hero, capturing grease, smoke, and heat before they spread. Inside, a fan pulls air up and through filters, then outside or back into the room, depending on your setup. With variable fan speeds, a great range hood makes cooking safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Next time you flip on that fan, remember it's working hard so you can focus on the food. Now you know about kitchen ventilation. Welcome to SR HVAC.